bonjour and bienvenue to the Paris Plan. Well, what's happened? Paris's Notre-Dame Cathedral has reopened 5 years after the 2019 fire. And I have to say that the interiors are absolutely stunning. The official ceremony was attended by world leaders, royalty, and even celebrities such as Selma Hayek, though her owl stayed at home, which is a shame because I'm sure she would have loved flapping around those high ceilings. French President Emmanuel Macron, who set the ambitious 5-year timeline for the restoration, beamed with pride at the opening ceremony. He was joined by a host of international figures, except the Pope, who was busy. A magical video mapping light and sound show on the facade of the cathedral closed the ceremonies. The event honoured the firefighters who saved the cathedral, the 2,000 artisans who brought it back to life, and the 340,000 donors who funded the €840 million restoration. In 1663, Maurice de Sully, the Bishop of Paris, laid the foundation stone of Our Lady, Notre-Dame Cathedral, in the presence of Pope Alexander III. His ambitious project was to take place at no random location, but at the symbolic and geographical heart of Paris, the Ile de la Cité, on the foundations of 2 earlier churches and the site of a Gallo-Roman temple dedicated to Jupiter. Inspired by St. Denis Basilica, Sully aimed to outdo Abbot Suger and impress the rest of the world with the immense height and superb details of his cathedral. Indeed, soon became, and has remained, the world's finest example of Gothic architecture, alongside the nearby Sainte-Chapelle. Notre-Dame's 35-metre high roof, iconic flying buttresses and twin towers, completed in 1250, create a striking symmetry. The flying buttresses, a revolutionary feature, allowed for higher walls and stunning stained glass windows, including the famous rose windows influenced by Syrian architecture. The cathedral's ribbed vaults and soaring columns create a sense of awe and space. Its gargoyles serving as both water drains and protectors, warding off evil. The cathedral's spire, lost in the 2019 fire, was restored to its 19th century design by architect Viollet-le-Duc, who gave it a romanticised medieval twist. Notably, the rooster weather vane that topped the spire has been recreated. While the cathedral has long been a symbol of Paris, its global fame was cemented by Victor Hugo's The Hunchback of Notre-Dame in 1831. Hugo's novel, which told the tragic love story between Quasimodo, the hunchback bell ringer, and the beautiful Esmeralda, sparked a wave of public interest in the cathedral and led to a major restoration campaign. Without Hugo's influence, Notre-Dame might not have survived. After you visit the cathedral, make sure to stay in the area and discover the other attractions of the Ile de la Cité in our video, 5 Things to Do on the Ile de la Cité. The renovation also does not finish inside the cathedral. They've got plans for an urban park around the cathedral. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to let you know more about that soon. But in the meantime, please share, subscribe, like, and that's all.